So this is my apartment. I'm just locking the door. It also comes with this, so it's very safe. Sorry for the noise, but I'm also drying clothes at the moment. So this is the entranceway. This is the konban, I think. This is where you take off your shoes. So I have my shoe rack over here with extra shoes. This is also where I keep my trash. So on the door, I keep the schedule of the trash, and you have to put the trash out on certain days, which is why there's so many bags, because you have to keep all your trash in your apartment until the certain day that you have to take it out. And then this is my kitchen area. So I just finished eating dinner, so that's my dinner dishes. And then I have all different stuff lined up over here, and I have a cup of water here with the Panda Sugar cup. So Panda Sugar is this boba shop near school, and I really like their cups. Their cups are pretty durable, so I've been reusing them. I have 2 others over there. And then we have a portable stovetop. And then the apartment also came with this pot. And then up here, there's a cabinet where I keep all my food. Most of it is ramen. It's winter, so I eat a lot of ramen. And then down here is my food pantry-ish stuff. I have some snacks, some other food, Spam, my tea, and then mashed potatoes, instant mashed potatoes. I eat instant mashed potatoes a lot. Then this is the fridge. The fridge is much bigger than the one at the dorms, especially the freezer. So there's a freezer area. And then my fridge. Yep. And then on the opposite side of the kitchen area is the washing machine. The washing machine functions as a washer and a dryer. So this is a button that you click to do both washing and drying at the same time. So usually I set this to run during school, but I forgot to do it this morning, so that's why I'm drying clothes now. And then over here I have more snacks, some laundry stuff, disposable chopsticks, paper towels, some of my dishes, more of my dishes, hot water maker, and my microwave. Next is this door, and in the door is my bathroom. So the bathroom has this little lip, and it's mainly a shower. And then the cool thing is that it has a light in it. Probably because the whole door closes, so you can't see unless you have a light on in it. And then this bathroom comes with a bidet. And it has auto heating, which is very nice when it's cold. And then I have some storage up there. And then we go into here. So this is a shelf I just got in yesterday. It was actually supposed to come in 2 weeks, but it arrived super early, thankfully. So I have more snacks up there. I eat a lot of nori, and then I won a lot of this habanero onion Pringles, and I don't like habanero, nor do I like onions, so we're just saving that to take home to my family so they can eat it. And then over here I'm gonna stick a toaster oven because I like my bagels, I like toast, I like a lot of things that need a toaster oven, so we're gonna buy a toaster oven at some point. Then we have where I charge my Switch, some heating pads, my K-pop binder, some other books and stuff, and the pile of papers I have to go through to find my final papers for English. Gonna have fun going through that. And then we have 2 bins of random stuff that I haven't really gone through yet. And then at the bottom I have all my trash bags. This is my paper trash, some Christmas gifts, and other stuff. And then, so this also has a door. And then I just hang one of my small purses on it. And then I have another backpack. I have 2 backpacks and then my school bag. And then I have my desk here. So the desk here is pretty similar to the one at the dorm. And it comes with 2 drawers. The drawers, though, I must say, are much more shallow than the dorm ones, but it's okay. And then I have a similar setup to the one that I had at the dorm with my pencil case, my washi tape stuff. I don't think this was in my dorm tour, but my lamp. And then where this is my new contraption to try to do bullet journaling and videotape it. So that is connected to a step ladder, which I never use. And then we have this whole mess of my outlets. And then over here is my pile of arcade winnings and my neck pillow for when I go home. And it is on top of this metal box, which actually has a ladder in it for if there's ever a fire, you can escape out the window, which I currently have curtained up. And so you escape through with that ladder. And then my suitcase with some bags that I also haven't gone through yet, unpacked. And then my cute pockets and my Winnie the Pooh felt stuff there. Yeah. And then next we have some clothes hanging on this bar. And yeah. I have some extra clothes hanging in this. It's meant for shoes, but I hang clothes on it. And then I have recreated my 17 shining diamond light thing. So on. It's not turning on. There we go. My 17 karat shining diamond. I also have a hanger, a back scratcher, and then my poster of Joshua that I got from the Old to You concert. Yep. And then we have more of my arcade winnings. So all of this I won at arcades, including that cat. Mr. Bean, I brought him from Hawaii, but he originally was from Japan. I won him at an arcade in Japan, and I took him home, and then he came back to Japan. So yeah. And then up there, I have my mattress pad. I didn't really think I needed to put my mattress pad on this mattress because it's really cushiony. So yeah. And then the room also came with a TV, but I don't have time to watch TV, like ever. So that TV also sits up there. Then we have this very skinny closet space where I have all my flannel hanging right now because it's winter and I'm a kid from Hawaii who hates the cold. So yeah. And then I have some miscellaneous stuff down there. And then this is my dresser. So I have clothes and all of this. And then some paper organized stuff. And then another Joshua from my O2U concert. And yeah, so I kind of keep like the stuff I use often here. Yeah. And then on the side of it is my carry-on with the hairdryer that came with the room, not the one that I usually use. And then I have another bag hanging there, some hand warmers, medicine, stuff like that. And then I recreated all my little kitties. They're kind of slanted, but it's okay. They're still pretty. And I just have random stuff in there. And yeah, so that's my dorm tour. I hope you liked it.